Yes, indeed, back in the late 1960s, Robert Conrad starred in a show chronicling the exploits of the Black Sheep Squadron, United States Marine Corps Corsair Squadron. It's powered by a 2,000 horsepower Pratt & Whitney double Wasp 18-cylinder radial engine, giving it a top speed of somewhere around 20 miles per hour up to 20,000 feet. It was designed by Bell as a carrier-based aircraft. And this is when it was up in the air a little while ago. You might recall that Coco and I were talking about how beefy the landing. You're landing on carriers. They had to have a very long landing gear. The problem is, the longer the gear, the less strong it is. So developers and designers have thought, said, here's what we're going to do. We're going to bend the wing down as it comes up to the fuselage at 90 degrees. That will allow us, coming around 90 degrees from the fuselage at that point, then we'll extend the gear from that lowest point and then bend the wing back up. The Japanese also call this airplane the Whistling Death. When it was used as a low-level attack aircraft, it would oftentimes be responsible for bombing Japanese positions on some of those Pacific islands, or napalming. It would come in very, very fast, and there would be a very distinct whistling sound coming from the aircraft. 18 cylinders on this engine, 2 rows of 9 cylinders, as Dan rolls the airplane over and keeps it just in a beautiful position. Over 12,570 of the only Allied ace of the Korean War who didn't fly the Air Force's F-86 Sabre jet actually flew the F4U Corsair, scoring 5 aerial victories against Russian-built North Korean mid-jet aircraft. Beautiful pass. Now, Vought was not the only producer. This airplane did not turn out to be a very, very good performer aboard the decks of U.S. naval aircraft carriers. The pilot sat so far back and so low, he was having a great deal of difficulty maintaining visual contact with the carrier deck. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to turn this down and listen to the Now please keep a remembrance in your ear of the sound of that radial engine. We'll hear some other radials throughout the day. We will also hear some inline engines as well, and you'll want to keep an ear on those.
My name is Guy. I'm 18. Good lines for everyone. Older than 10. I like them. We got police at the mortgage. Yep, T-Mobile outside.
If they come down here, you don't try to catch them because they are waiting